Greetings, Excel enthusiasts from all around the world. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is designed to help you harness the power of Excel with ease. We'll be delving into the fascinating world of slicers, a fantastic tool for creating interactive dashboards and visually exploring your data. Let's dive in and create slicers together. Get ready to revolutionize your data analysis. Open your Excel spreadsheet and select any cell within the table you'd like to work with. Now, navigate to the Insert tab and click on Slicer in the Filters section. Here's where the magic happens. Choose the fields you want to filter using a slicer and click OK to apply the filter. Experience the power of interactivity. With slicers in place, you can now select any option within these slicers and watch your data adjust accordingly. It's that simple. To reset the filter, just tap on the Clear Filter option located at the top right corner. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create slicers in Excel, unlocking the gateway to interactive dashboards and data exploration. We hope this newfound knowledge makes your Excel journey even more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell button to be the first to know about our latest videos. Have any other Excel tips you'd like to explore? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Excel crunching.